To get your visual diary out, and in your visual diary we're going to plan what we're going to put in this book. This book is, I'm going to make it about my big adventure, which was a fantastic camping trip that I went on. So I'm going to do a little plan, just like an illustrator or an author would do, and they would plan out what's going to be on each page. So I've got, this is my cover, and I can label it if I want to. Here's the next page. If I open that up, this is my next page, which is we would call that a double page spread, and that would be page 2 and 3. And then I've got another double page spread. That's the back cover. Okay, now I can see how many pages I have to fill with my story. And you have to decide what your story is going to be. Well, mine's going to be about something I've got a good memory of, and something that I really enjoyed, and it has lots of good things to draw in it. When I think about it, there was lots of beautiful things I could draw. So on my cover, I'm going to make a title, and this would be the only spot where you might have some writing. Okay, I'm not expecting you to put any writing in this book. I would rather all of it was done with drawings and pictures. Okay, let's see how that goes. So my front cover, I'm going to call it My Big Adventure. Oops, couldn't fit it all on, never mind. Okay, and I might put a picture of, I could put a picture of a tent, or perhaps I will put the picture of me thinking about and remembering my big adventure. Okay, and I'm going to put a little border around my That's my plan. Now what I have to do is put my plan into my book. That's the next step. Okay. This is the end of part 2. Click the link for part 3.